Hello everyone, this is Marky and I'm going to teach you about tonal values. What is tonal value? The lightness or darkness of something. This could be a shade or how dark or light a color appears. Tone refers to the relative lightness or darkness of a color. One color can have an almost infinite number of different tones. Tone can also mean the color itself. A tonal value means how dark or light something appears. We can see tones more clearly when a direct strong light falls on an object or subject. Tonal value, halaga or amount ng shade ng isang kulay ng mga bagay. Ang isang kulay daw ay maraming value. Totoo, meron siyang dark tone, middle tone, half tone, saka light tone. Mas makikita natin ang tones ng isang bagay if may tatamang ilaw dito. Kahit papano, tuturuan ko kayo dito sa tonal value sa abot ng aking makakaya. As you can see on this chart, yung values ng isang kulay from dark tone to light tone. Look at this circle. It's an ordinary circle. A flat object lang siya. Pag kinulayan natin yan, flat pa din siya kasi wala naman siyang degree of lighting. Ito, gumawa na ako ng circle. Nag-trace lang ako ng something round, but you can use compass. But first, let's have something materials to begin with. Oslo paper or band paper or sketchpad. But for now, Oslo paper ang gamit ko. Then graphite pencils, 2B. Then the other one is 6B for darker shade and eraser. Plus tissue paper for smudging or blending. First, let's try this kind of exercise. The pressure of the pencils so that you are ready for blending or toning. Right control of the hand lang siya para ma-apply mo yung pressure. If you notice kung paano ko hawakan yung lapis, so sa ganyang style or position, mas may apply mo yung pressure ng sa tama. Like sa ganito, yung para kang nagsusulat lang, mahirap ilagay yung pressure doon. Yung ganyang klase na position ng paghawak ng lapis, mas ma-apply mo siya sa mga details drawing. Pero yung ginagawa ko kasi, mas madali makontrol yung pressure. Lalo na ganito yung activity natin, yung paglalagay ng value. So, gradually, babawasan mo yung pressure sa hand mo pag nasa lighter value ka na. Makokontrol mo yung pressure when to apply the dark and the light. Sa ganitong exercise, mas mapapagaan yung kamay mo, lalo na sa pagsusulat. Kasi ako, magaan ako magsulat, pati sa pressure sa buhay mo at work. Hindi, joke lang yun. Joke lang sa pressure sa buhay at sa work. And if you're ready na, we can now proceed to our actual drawing tutorials. Ito nga yung nakaredy ko ng circle, lalagyan na natin ng tonal value. Mapapaangat natin siya, and lalagyan din natin ng shadow. This will be our light area. Since ang ating light source will be on this side, on this angle coming through. So automatic, this area will be the shadow. This portion will be our darkest area. So we will put the harder pressure here. May ginawa na ako before this activity. This one. So from single circle to sphere. We're going to work on every part of this example I made. I'm going to discuss the transition of dark to light value. The tonal value of a sphere. Let's start na with a 2B pencil. Mag-render muna tayo ng initial tone for this. First, We're going to work the darkest value. Ganito lang, curve. Yung paglagay ko to make it round. Fast forward yan kaya medyo bumilis yung video. Again, i-remind ko lang kayo sa position ng kamay ko pag sa paghawak ng lapis. Ganito lagi. Huwag yung para kayong nagsusulat kasi ang hirap talaga maglagay ng value or maglagay ng shade niyan sa mga colors. The next value from darkest, the darkest to middle value. So, gradually, babawasan mo yung pressure sa hand mo pag nasa lighter value ka na. Just additional pressure for additional tone. Just control the pressure of your hand when applying the tones. Next will be the darker shade of the pencil. We're going to use 6B. Look how thick the lead of this pencil. So it's obviously for much darker value on your work. Just like our initial rendering kanina, this one with much darker tone. Masarap mag-drawing, nakakatanggal ng stress. We're just like playing. Ito yung beauty of working on an artwork. Parang nag-scribble lang. But after that, you will realize may nabubuka na palang maganda. Parang walang patutunguhan pero meron yan. Now, tapos na yung pag-render natin ng value. Medyo may buhay na yung flat circle kanina. Next, we're going to work how will it be smooth. The transition of the tonal value. We're going to blend it with tissue paper. Parang we're going to wipe it on lang to the same direction when we're working during the pencil rendering. As you can see, slowly there's a transition of the value from dark to light. Smoothly, the rough pencil render becomes smooth. When we start smudging it, you can use your finger, cotton buds. You can also have some techniques na di mag-smudge. It's a layering of pencil from dark to light or vice versa. Matagal yung process na yun. Yung lightest part natin, hindi ko siya masyadong nilalagyan kasi yun ang ating source of light portion. Just smudge it lang until we reach the smoothness of our tonal value. Depends on your desire sa smoothness level. Yung dumi from the tissue and ledlan na nabuo. So just clean it lang. Look, we have the transition of the light and dark. Di pa ako satisfied, so I'm going to add a little more value. Same process, pressure lang sa pagre-render. So, we're like a kid, parang activity lang sa school nung kindergarten or grade school. Yung sabi ng mga estudyante is, color lang tayo. Just continue adding values lang. Kaya circle yung ginawa ko kasi if you put tonal value on it, napapakita natin yung different shadows and lightings niya. And tonal values allow us to perceive the three-dimensionally. Kaya yung circle, nagawa nating sphere dahil sa tonal values, napalabas natin yung three-dimensional niya. Mas mai-apply mo din siya sa mga realism works. If satisfied ka na, smudge it again. Same process lang dun sa ginagawa natin kanina. It's like layering na din. I will discuss it when we reach to the coloring part lesson. Meron nang nangyayari. Yan. I'm quite satisfied na, so we're going to put shadow on this sphere. Since dito ang light source natin, ang shadow is here. I'm using 6B for the shadow. Medyo sakop pa ng shadow itong area na to. Then apply the darker pressure on your shadow. Di yan madiin na. Nakapass forward lang yan kaya mukhang madiin. Add additional darker value again para mag-match sa shadow value natin. Smudge lang even the shadows to make it smooth. If you notice, may light area siya sa may darkest area natin. It's a light reflection. From assuming it's a table, yung pinagpapatungan ng sphere, pansinin nyo sa mga bagay na nakalapag, may reflection siya pabalik. Ayan, nabuhay na yung kahit papaano yung circle just by simply applying the tonal value. So, sa mga next artworks mo, you will apply this tonal value. Mapa-drawings or painting ba yan, it's very essential. Kaya mahalagang pag-aralan yung tonal value. Now, para mas mabuhay siya, lagyan natin ng background tone din. Kunyari, nakapatong siya sa table. Isang direction lang, then smudge it. Add additional tone. Add darker tone sa side ng light para mas mabuhay or umangat siya. Dito, I'm using my finger on smudging para mas ma-feel mo yung gawa mo. Messy nga lang. Again, add lang ng tones sa mga area na di ka pa satisfied. Nabuhay na yung circle. Just like in everyday living, if you put value on a thing, it will have a life. It's valuable. So, pag ikaw binibigyan ng halaga, nabubuhay ka, valuable ka na, worth it ka na. Ano daw? Hopefully, na-achieve nyo naman yung na-achieve ko. Practice lang, makukuha nyo din yan. You can try also sa mga ibang objects as another study, like this pyramid and cylinder. So next episode, we will apply our tonal value to different object or subject. Let's try that sa fruit basket. Thanks everyone for watching. Don't forget, daig lang na masipag ang talented. Just practice lang. Like and subscribe na rin and hit notify na rin.